Good morning, dear students. I welcome you all in the online computer class. Today, we are going to start a new lesson. Lesson number 1, Introduction to HTML. Let's start. The internet is called as network of networks. Children, this is Tim Berners-Lee. The notion of web, WWW, that is World Wide Web, was conceived in 1991 by Tim Berners-Lee. What is HTML? HTML is Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is a language for displaying how a web page should look. Now, what is a web page? Children, you might be familiar with the term website. A single website consists of many web pages. And this HTML, that is Hypertext Markup Language, which we are going to learn today, is used for designing web pages. Introduction to HTML. HTML is a machine-independent language. A machine-independent language is the one that can run on any machine. HTML is derived from SGML, that is Standardized General Markup Language, which was developed by ISO, that is International Organization for Standards, in 1986. HTML uses various set of tags. Tags are written within angular brackets. These are angular brackets. HTML code consists of two major parts. The first part is head section and second part is body section. HTML code starts with HTML tag and ends with /HTML tag. Now see this HTML code listing. This is the beginning of HTML code and this is the ending of HTML code. As we have seen that HTML code consists of two parts, head section and body section. This head start till the head ends denotes the head section, whereas this body start till the body ends denotes the body section. Now, what is an element? A combination of opening and closing tags along with some content between the two tags forms an element. This figure indicates that title content is about rainbow, title end forms an element of the HTML code. Another example of an element of HTML code is H1 means heading 1, rainbow, end of heading 1. You can observe that the closing tags are preceded with a /. This is the starting of HTML while /HTML is the ending of HTML tag. Head is the starting of head tag while /head within angular brackets is the ending of head tag. Title within angular brackets is the starting of title tag while /title within angular brackets is the ending of title tag. In the same way, body within angular brackets is the starting of body tag while /body within angular brackets is the ending of body tag. H1 tag refers to heading, then rainbow and end of heading tag. Similarly, contents available between P and /P is identified as paragraph. This is start of paragraph and this is end of a paragraph. Again, this is start of another paragraph and this is end of that another paragraph. The HTML code can be written in any text editors like Notepad, gedit or Skite. This HTML code is written in gedit text editor. After writing the code, save it by giving any file name but compulsory with .html extension. Here, file name is given as p1.html means program1.html and saved on the desktop. Then go on the desktop and double click the file p1.html so it gets executed. You will see the output like this. This is the HTML code listing in gedit text editor and this is the output. Start of HTML and end of HTML. Start of head and end of head. The head tag consists of title tag. Title is About Rainbow. This About Rainbow is written in title tag and is displayed on the title bar of the browser. This is start of body tag and this is end of body tag. This rainbow is displayed using H1 that is heading 1 tag and these lines are displayed as 2 paragraphs. It is to be noted that the tags used in HTML code are not case sensitive. These tags may be written in uppercase letters or lowercase letters or mixture of both upper and lowercase letters. Next time we will be writing HTML code listing and executing it in browser practically. We will also study more HTML text. Thank you. Have a good day.